DIY Dollar Tree birthday party decor ideas. Perfect for toddlers and children parties, but can be used for other age groups. Let's get started. We're going to make some centerpieces as well as some pom-pom character faces and some goodie bags. Additional information on what I used is listed in the description box. I used Sesame Street cards from the Dollar Tree. I simply used glue to adhere them to the actual chopsticks. I also used free clip art online to find other character faces, and I used simple cereal boxes, the backings, to reinforce those printed items. I did allow the characters to go ahead and dry for about an hour with the chopsticks before I went ahead and placed each centerpiece into place. And I also used Floral Foam in the bottom of each centerpiece base to keep those centerpieces in place. Once I had my decorations as I wanted them, I went ahead and used wrapping paper, tissue paper to go ahead and polish that look. It also made it hard to see the actual floor foam or the bases of the chopsticks. And I also used that free clip art online to find the character faces for the pom-poms as well as for the gift bags. And I also used that free clip art for some additional bonus ideas, and I'll share them here. I also made a Sesame Street sign for my son, as well as I made 2 games, including Pin the Nose on Elmo and a Cookie Monster cookie toss with felt cookies. Here's some pictures in action of what I actually did. And again, I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe. This was our maiden voyage, and hopefully we will get better from here. Additional information again can be found in the comment section. Thank you, bye-bye, and have a great day. See ya.